Google's Android Show I/O edition gave us a peek at a bunch of new features coming to the Android, and many of them focus on security. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. First up, it's enhanced protections against banking scam calls. This is when scammers pretend to be a bank in order to get account information to scoop up some cash. Google's teaming up with selected banks and financial institutions to slow down this practice. There's a new spoofing protection feature that's automatically ending calls from numbers impersonating any of the participating banks. This also notifies the user that they likely received a scam call. This feature will be available from Android 11 and up, but for US-based users only. Google's also announced a live threat detection feature that analyzes app behavior to look for anything suspicious. It uses something called dynamic signal monitoring to detect suspicious patterns or actions made by an app. This is coming to Android 17 devices later this year. There are some theft protection features as well. There will soon be more settings options for failed authentication lock. Also, users will be able to lock a phone with biometric authentication along with traditional passcodes. Once marked as lost, thieves won't be able to do anything with the phone until it's biometrically unlocked. This too will be on all new Android 17 devices in the near future. Finally, there's a neat little privacy tool that focuses on app permissions and location data. A button will let users temporarily share a precise location within an app as long as that app remains open. This way, your accurate location won't be available all the time. With all these, the next version of Android is going to be more secure. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.